Just here really quickly to show you how to use EdCanvas. Many of the lessons on here use EdCanvas, and so this is an example from lesson number 2 that you guys will get to do soon. Right here I've written an introduction for you all to read, and so after you read the introduction you're going to get to use EdCanvas to see what you do after that. And so you notice that there's a box and it has 4 different boxes in here with numbers on it. Well, when you try to click the boxes, nothing happened. And so in order to make something happen, you have to come up to the top and press the play button. So for play, it starts it for you. And so it's usually typically starts with an image. And so you don't really know what to do because there are no directions. All you see is an image. So you're going to come up here to the gray arrow and you're going to click it. And then you can see that there are written directions for you to follow. So this is now in the way, so in order to close it, you just click the arrows back. Then you click on the next arrow to move it so that it will go to the next slide. Again, there's something here, but it's no direction. And so the same thing, it has an image, but it doesn't tell you what to do. So you have to click on the arrow to pull it out, read the directions, close it back, and then follow the next arrow. To get out of that, go ahead and click the X button to close it. And it will come back to the screen that looks like this. So I realize that this is super, super tiny. And so one other option that you have is to open it in EdCanvas, which makes it much larger for you to see. So all you have to do is click the Open in EdCanvas button and you will get a screen that looks like this. Wow, you can see just how big it is. And so one important thing that you have to remember is to follow it in order. So it goes from the numbers 1 through 4. So you want to start with the number 1, and go through until you go to the last one. So again here, same thing, you just press the play button and it will play for you. This time you don't have to worry about opening and closing the arrow because it's already here and you can see the directions on the side. So all you have to do is just read the directions and then complete what it says and then scroll to the next page. Again, when you get done, all you have to do is just close the X and you'll come back to the screen that looks like this. So it's fairly simple. You don't have to worry about the print or the copy button. What you really need to worry about is the play button. Again, you can choose to play it on the website, or you can choose to open it in EdCanvas to make it bigger. So just remember that you are reading the directions and see what you have to do, and make sure that you follow steps 1 through 4, or how many ever steps there are. So don't start with 1 and then go to 3. Start with 1 and then go to number 2 and then keep going until you finish.